Hey, in the last video you saw us overview the sub that sits in my 98 Honda Civic, and we mentioned plans to upgrade it to a SKAR VXF12, which is what we're actually going to be doing today. Take a look at the bench. We already got the sub unboxed. Now we're going to move over here and get the enclosure out and onto the bench.
I forget how big these subs are, because this was doing well. You saw it flex in the car. Man, dude, that triple stack is thick. That coil is massive. It's intense.
Now we need to put the up. Oh, yeah, you got that. You got that. That's that for recording also. Try to find me a solo cheaper. Spend 100 racks on the teeth, not a grill. Looking at your diamonds on your neck, ain't real. Nigga, you a bitch, let the Draco kill. Heard what I said, spinning your block every day till you dead. Live on the edge, Cody my man. Open to my phone. Can't never keep us out clear. 100 bros go with the face of the bread.
in and out, we be going. On a 750. Better get you some bread where you from. I spend my meals on the grill. Cover myself up in it, my shit. I spend it down, go run you a drill. If you do the time, come home to a meal. Double my seal, sign another hit when I'm in the field. I make your bitch lick. Better get you some bread where you from. I spend my meals on the grill. Cover myself up in it, my shit. I spend it down, go run you a drill. If you do the time, come home to a meal. Double my seal.
Well, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. Those Skar VXF12s are insane. I mean, I have seen my fair share of them. I've had a VXF12, a VXF15. I'm going to put tentatively 1 or 2 VXF15s in that red Civic that I've got. And I just continue to be blown away with them. The bass is tight. We were listening to some music that is unfortunately not copyright safe on YouTube. And the kick drum is just boom, boom, boom. And it's just in your chest. It's tight and fast. And there's this weird phenomenon that big subs aren't tight and accurate. And with the technology of today, that's just not true anymore. We're listening to songs like Hot for Teacher from Van Halen and stuff like that, where there's just fast drums, and it is just da-da-da-da-da-da-da, I mean, in your chest, and it is tight and accurate. So very, very happy with the subs performance and the output. I couldn't be more impressed with Skar and the price point for the product. I mean, it's just amazing. That sub is like $300, and it will take that beating all day long. Overall, I would 100% recommend that sub to anybody curious. It will blow you out of the water. It is insane how much pressure, when the box is right, is just in your ears and your brain, and every part of the car is shaking. When you saw that slow-mo, you saw the box, which is screwed down to the floor. He has made a wooden plate to sit under the trunk floor so that it's solid. It's screwed down that. And that is shaking, the trunk is shaking, the deck lid is shaking, the seats are shaking, the roof, the rear windshield, the front windshield, the wipers, the doors, everything shakes. The pressure is incredible. So that sub is an absolute banger. For the price point, you really can't ask for anything else. It's phenomenal. I'm gonna run inside. It's snowing here in Michigan and it's getting chilly. So have a great night, you guys.